even understand.
What's the problem?
I just keep hearing this awful noise the whole time I'm driving.
Is that your wife?
Yeah.
You ever step outside for a moment?
Hey, can you step outside real quick?
All right, give it a try now.
Oh my God, the noise just stopped.
Ever come back in?
Hey, come back in.
I've been trying to tell you this piece of shit car. Stop trying to get this
There it
shit
is.
car. Get a BMW.
The noise just started again.
Yeah, we got husbands coming in all the time with the same problem.
No, the problem, sir, is he doesn't listen to anything I say. That's the problem. And the moment you start listening, all your problems are gonna
Oh,
go away.
yeah. No, I know. Hey, we got reruns of the Kardashians in the office if you want to give it a look.
Oh, I haven't seen the last season. Is the last season?
It's a good one. You'll love it. Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do. Sit there.
Yeah, that'll keep her busy for a while, but this is just a temporary fix. Eventually, you're going to have to need a whole new unit.
That sounds expensive.
Very.
Can I just leave her here?